It's automatic.
Here we are in the Soapy Joe's car wash. Ah, we're being attacked!
Look.
Ah! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! We're being attacked!
Alright, so,
Oh, we're being rinsed.
here we go, rinse.
Here we go. We're in the rinse cycle.
Getting ready to get dry.
Oh, we're gonna go under the dryer.
Daddy's beer is all.
It's gonna suck. Oh, we're being sucked. We're being sucked.
You can actually feel it through here.
You can?
Mommy,
What?
I like the dryer bottle. Like that.
Oh, this thing?
Up there. Like
Oh boy. Tire shine.
Oh crap.
that sounds
One
like
window was open back there.
Oh my gosh, it is wet back there. I forgot our windows were open. Oh well.
Whose window was open?
Both of them.
Oh, and look at this. Look at this.
Oh,
Perfect timing.
perfect. Yeah, you're gonna need something to. Do they have little things to wipe off?
They have towels.
Okay, we're gonna need
Oh,
that.
everybody's
wet.
actually.
Oh, we're coming over here.
Sarah, roll up your window, bro. Roll it up.
Please don't say we're going again.
No, we're not, but
We're gonna vacuum out the car now.
Yay! I want to help.
I know. Oh, now you do.
I want to help.
Roll up the windows, though.
Here.
Roll